poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this flawless, no foundation, soft glam-ish type of beat. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this no foundation look, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Now I'm gonna be taking my Ruby Kisses powder foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I'm gonna be putting that on my crease, and I'm also gonna be directing it towards like the bridge of my nose because that's how I start off my little nose contour. So I'm gonna be going in and just getting it all over my lid, blending it out nicely. Alright, so now that I have my brows done, I'm gonna go into the base, and I like to go in with my Revolution Matte Fix Primer. This is what it looks like. I go ahead and just place it on my face. You don't have to use a lot. You really don't need a lot. So once I have that on, I like to go in with some of the Revolution baking powder, and I go ahead and take a small fluffy brush and I take a little bit and dust it off. I dab it on the back of my hand because I really don't want to put too much product, but I'm oily, so I like to just put this on my under eyes and my smile lines, and I just dab a little bit on my nose. I don't like to get it too caked on or whatever, just enough to kind of catch that oil because those are the zones that I get the most oily in. I top it off with my Revolution Super Thick. Love this, and it's so long lasting. All right, doesn't my face look so cute already? Like, we haven't even put a makeup on yet. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer in the shade Tan Neutral. We're still using the shade Tan Neutral, and we're just going to, this is how I did it. I just did 3 lines. And I'm gonna spray my face with the setting spray again before we blend it out. And I'm gonna start blending it out on my forehead. right, y'all, so we have our concealer blended out and we're looking kind of crazy. So we're going to go ahead and start contouring. You can see like the darker parts of my nose are just automatically kind of like looking like contour already. So I'm going to take my contour stick and I'm going to follow the natural like contour of my actual face. So you see like my face has that natural contour and it goes like that. The kind of idea of this is blending out your concealer, checking out like, okay, what is your natural face structure, and then placing the contour where that happens for the cheeks. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then for the nose, I'm going to be like doing like that, and then I'm gonna do a line right there and a line right there because I want to have like a cute little button nose. I can promise that I won't try again. I can't promise. So I'm gonna take this angled brush for the nose and kind of like fix it because it kind of did kind of crooked. Baby, I'm a go-getter. And there's a voice in the back of my mind that's telling me to go get her. Make my whole head. Yeah, you don't know what you do to me. These feelings that you give to me, they stay with me and make me think there's something else. It's love. I know what to tell. Now you know why I call you. Now I'm gonna go in with just a little bit more concealer. Now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. putty blush in the color Tahiti. So now that all of our cream products are placed on the face, I'm going to go ahead and take that fluffy brush and go under my under eyes and set, but I'm going to take a very light layer, like very super light. So I'm going to go underneath and make sure that my concealer is blended out and I don't have any creases. So this helps me like reduce creasing. If I don't do this, I'd be creased up, girl. Now I'm taking these black opal powders. I really love these powders. They're oil absorbing pressed setting powders in the color Smoking Topaz and Around the Clay Girl. I mix these two shades together because one is too dark, one is too light. Mix it together and it's pretty much like my shade. So I take some of the lighter shade and some of the darker shade and I press it underneath where my contour is. Leave me in the dark till I my mineral foundation powder, the same thing that I put on my crease. I'm gonna take it and use it as my contour. So I take on this brush and just get my contour popping and whatnot. And if I need to, I clean it up with some powder. And I'm gonna take the brush that I used on my eyes. I'm gonna use it with the same powder, but I try not to put too much because it can get a lot really quick. And I just go over and set that nose contour that we did. And then for my blush, I'm gonna be using this Nika K blush in the color Ginger. I love this. It's like a coral kind of blush. I think it's really pretty. And I use the brush that I use on my like complexion. And that is all the powders placed. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Revolution spray all over my face. And then we're gonna go in with our mascara. All right, guys, so I'm going in with the e.l.f. Big Mood Concealer Mascara. And I'm gonna take that on my lower lash line. All right, y'all, for the lip combo, we're gonna go for my go-to. This is the one I always do. We're going in with the Kiss Dark Brown Lip Liner. I get it from Amazon. I think like 5 come in a pack, so definitely order that. Like, it comes in handy because these are hard to find in a beauty supply store, at least by me. Now I'm gonna be going in with, what is this brand called? I think it's Essence. Yeah, I'm going in with the Essence lipstick in the color Loyal, and I'm just gonna put it on my bottom lip. It's kind of like a peachy kind of nude. I don't put a lot on. I just kind of use it as a base. And I'm gonna be going in with a little bit of the NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Cheekies. And I really just dot this, like I don't use a lot. I'm gonna be going in with the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the color Peach Bellini, and I always mix it with Sparkling Rosé. So I'm gonna put the Sparkling Rosé on first. And then I'm gonna dab on some of the Peach Bellini in the middle. Now I'm going in with the NYX Filler Instinct Lip Gloss in the shade Let's Glaze. It is a clear plumping gloss, and I just put it right on top. Is it a final look if I'm not fixing my hair? I don't think it is. So here is the final look, guys. I love this beat. Like, what? It's eating. This beat is just eating down. I think it's so freaking gorgeous. Like, the nose contour is everything. I'm gagged. I love it. So guys, this is a new look. Like, this is my new look, period. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you're gonna try this beat for yourself, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.